I did, I ended up getting rid of this Bluetooth speaker. I took it apart, took all these things apart right here, and then of course the board. All right, so we're gonna install this inside of the dispenser. Okay. Now, no, it's not an expensive Bluetooth speaker. I found it on OfferUp for $5. So got this guy for $5 because I wanted to test it out, make sure everything works out fine. So now we got this, but the problem is that cutting. How to set this up, so it's good. We got that, and then we got the speakers, light, perfect, beautiful. And we got this guy right here. We got the battery, so we could turn off the light from here. Actually, that's not the light, I'm sorry. This one, you could turn it off, on, and these guys go in here. Everything is set nice and neat. Right here, I got the on and off. I had to mark it with a pen. Anyhow, so here it is. Here it is. We'll do some crazy stuff for that right now. So I got everything stuffed in there. I still gotta put the projector here and a couple more things. Yeah. So this is what I end up doing. So I order one of these. It's a humidifier, right? And all you gotta do is just put it in water, let it soak. It has these looking like straw types. It's just foam or like a little sponge. So what it does, it sucks it up. It sucks all the water, and then up here it has like a little humidifier. And this is what I converted into. So right here you guys will see once I activate it, then you guys will see the rest of the stuff that it goes on. For now, that's what it is. So I did major changes to this thing, and as you guys can see, right, everything is inside this box right here. how it used to be and how it's looking now. Of course, there's more to go on that. A little chimney here. You guys will see when this thing is activated. The projector, and of course the speaker is inside. There's more to this. A lot of little gadgets. Lots of gears in it, but I like the way this thing is looking right now. I don't know, it has so much in it. In progress. I had decided to move that tower right there on top of the gear, so just so it looks more about three-dimensional. Yeah. Alright, so we completed this beautiful project, masterpiece. So now we got all the gadgets, gears, and everything inside. Like I said, that's from the previous. So what I did, I just flipped it, used the back of it, you know, just to recycle the same wood. And we got a little chimney here, right there, speaker, of course, and then we got this guy right there. You guys can see that. Well, that's that. All right, and click it off, turns off. Okay. Unfortunately, is daylight, so I can't really show the whole thing, but look at that. Now that's sealed right there. Alright, company power on for the switches, like this, like that. That's what we got. Okay, well, here it is. Final product complete. Yeah, so this is called a steampunk style. Alright. And that's what we got in the inside, just wires and stuff connected to it, on and off, speakers, battery, etc. Here for the humidifier, what I did, I put a cap. Alright, so that cap has water. So what it is, this straw in the middle is absorbing the water, and of course pushing it up, just to give it that little extra look, you know. I'll show you guys how that works. And that, also the speaker is inside. Unfortunately, I can't use it. I'm gonna connect another phone to use this so you guys can hear it. Okay, but that's how it's looking right now. And this is one of my display shelves. I customized these as well. But look at that beauty, right? Let me close these guys.